cha-cha choreography, new routine. So we start with the set of New Yorkers. First we do slow New Yorker, count 1 we start. And go 1, then we develop gradually. 2, 3, 4, now we return. And 1, and 1. Now from here another slow New Yorker, count 2, 3, 4, we return. And 1. So here she's gonna do by herself syncopated New Yorkers, and I will just counterbalance her. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Then forward walk, count 2, hip twist, 3. Now very fast turn for the lady, for me cha-cha line. Cha-cha, 1 and 2. Here we hold 3, 4, 1, then regular New Yorker, 2, 3, with a closing leg, count 4, then we have, and 1. Walk, walk. It's run, they shall say. 2 and 3. Now, crazy turn for the girl, and the man just sidestep. 1. Here, keep actions. 2, 3, 4, and 1. And here we start batucado, set of batucados. Count 2, 3, 4, 1. Continue 2, 3, 4. She's hit 1. I'm on straight legs. Now keep actions. 2, 3, closing leg for the lady, and 1. Then in split position. So here we go our curvy twist. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Finishing in this position. Make sure, ladies, you charge. Always in counterbalance. From here, count. 2 before they go, and 3. Cha, cha, 1. 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Finish. 1. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 1. Turning 2 and 3. Lock step into spiral. Cha, cha, 1. Spiral. 2. Continuous left step. 3 and cha, cha, 1. Now here, overturn twist for the lady. 2. Forward walk. 3. Now run, run, 1. Run, run, 1. From here we change places. 2, 3. Fling for the girl. Cha, cha, 1. Point for the girl, for the man, side to side. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Turns. Cha, cha, 1. From here, series of Cuban breaks. 2, 3, 4. 1. Faster. 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Cha, cha, 1. From here, body weight. 3, cha-cha seat, 1, hips, and go 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Basic walks. We go walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. Now go walk continues, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Zigzag. 2 and 3, cha-cha-cha. Walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. Walk, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Run, 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 cha-cha.